I will use the orange color A4 sheet and cut it in a 1/2 mm paper quilling strips. I was making a coil with a quilling needle. I will make 6 to 12 coils. Now attach the coils one by one with a glue gun. Now we make 2 flowers. We use dark green quilling strips and make a coil. Now attach these leaves with the flower. I was telling in my previous video, I was made a lots of different colors coils. Now I was attach the yellow coil at the center of the flower. Our beautiful DIY is ready. Hopefully you like my DIYs. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas.